Good morning. All my bird friends are out on the power lines. So there we have Mr. Crow. He loves the pole, and he'll just fly and hover over the pole if somebody's already perched on it, and he'll wait for them to move because he likes to sit on the pole. Unless it's a stork. He won't mess with the storks if a stork is up there because the storks are 3 times his size. So that's his spot. And we have the doves. And of course, all the monk parakeets. And everybody lines up to get as much sun as they can. Birds are amazing creatures.